You ever have a dishwasher that even sometimes if it's fairly new, it just won't turn on and you don't know what's going on? This has happened a number of times for my tenants, and they just couldn't figure it out. I bought a brand new dishwasher and they're like, Dave, it's just not turning on. After a couple minutes, it turns off. What's going on? And I said, well, are you running hot water before you put on the dishwasher? They're like, what do you mean? Well, yeah, dishwashers need hot water for them to be able to bring to a certain temperature to sanitize, the dishes, everything's in there. And sometimes some dishwashers are more sensitive to other dishwashers. So we've had this issue before where our dishwasher wasn't turning on. And all you need to do is you go over to your tap, put it on hot, turn on the tap, wait for it to get hot, and then, it's hot, and then go and try your dishwasher. Chances are it'll work. Before you start to send a repairman to try to figure out what's going on with the dishwasher, try this little hack and see if it works for you.